Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a footer in Elementor. First, from your WordPress dashboard, go to Templates and then Theme Builder. Here, you will find the footer section. Click Add New to create a brand new footer, or choose an existing one to modify. This is your starting point for crafting a custom footer for your website, giving you full control over its appearance and content. Now, let's dive into designing your footer. Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows you to easily add elements such as text, images, and social media icons. You can customize each widget's styling, including colors, fonts, and spacing, to perfectly match your brand. Remember to consider a 3-column layout for a balanced structure, offering ample space for diverse content. Once your footer design is complete, it's time to set its display conditions. This crucial step determines exactly where your footer will appear. You can choose to show it across your entire website for consistent branding, or selectively display it on specific pages or posts. Elementor also allows you to exclude the footer from particular areas, offering great flexibility for your site's layout. Finally, after perfecting your footer, save your template. Then, click the Publish button to make your custom footer live on your website. It's essential to review its appearance across different devices, including desktop, tablet, and mobile, to ensure it looks fantastic and functions correctly for all visitors. This final check guarantees a professional and responsive user experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.